I just didn't really take the time, and it kind of hurt. Uh, Not really my wife and our relationship at all, but it kind of put things in the back burner. So it was like we were always taking care of everybody else, and it got the wife and me to start talking a little bit more about different things. So we communicated better, and it helped our relationship a whole lot more. We had been to Mexico before, and it was kind of put in the back burner. And then I thought, let's do this. We can get away from this setting or everything, and it's our time, like you said, to relax and hit that reset button, recharge again. I was kind of apprehensive at first when I thought, well, I'll go ahead and do it, just to see. But then I realized it was something that was needed. It was something I used to do, but then it was lacking, and I needed to get back in the swing of things again. I'm glad I did it. I probably still be lost in my rut I was stuck in. I keep using that phrase. I was stuck in a rut, and it helps me reset and recharge. Keeps me on the straight and narrow. It's good. I suggest whole health to any veteran, all veterans.